Good night, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'll be taking a light painting. Behind me is the monument, or the main signage of the Nagoya University. This is where the university that I'm currently attending here in Japan. I will do a light painting of its outline all across, and we'll see how we go. I'll show you through the process so you know when you want to do one for yourself. So peace. So when I do the light painting, I'll start from here. I'll go up and then I'll go around the edge of the signage and try making an outline of it. I'll be setting the tripod and the camera around here, and then we'll try, angle it back towards that side to get the picture. Let's hope it comes out good. I haven't tried it before, so this is like a trial and error basis, so we'll see how it goes. I will be using my Canon kit lens, 18 to 55 millimeter on this one, and the 70D Canon. So I've got my tripod all set up and my camera. So the settings I'm using is so if you look at the screen, I've got it on the TV setting. I think that's aperture priority, and my my shutter speed is at 30 seconds. ISO is auto. So let's see how it goes. I'll do a test one and we'll see how the image comes up. So I've got a remote connected to the 70D, so let's see the test image. So that's the test image without the light painting. So the next one I'll do it with the light painting. So I'm currently using these ones, this spark or sticks that I'll be lighting, and then I'll go over the shape of the signboard. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so that's what I captured on the camera, which I will be putting up on the screen later on. It's a trial and error basis, so we'll see how we go. More practice makes perfect. So hope you like my video, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching. Peace.